Disclaimer, no investment advice provided. This is for entertainment and educational purposes only. Swazers here. How's it going, guys? Hope everyone is well. It's the 7th of the 7th, 2021, 11:18 a.m. in the UK, and the markets are live. Right, let's do a quick mini video on a couple of interesting tickers. Let's look at gold and then Bitcoin dead quick. All right, by the way, thanks for all the new followers. We're currently at 3,587 followers. We're just over a year old. We had our birthday, our first birthday last week. Thank you for all the birthday cake and the presents and the balloons. Fantastic. Right, guys, let's jump to the chart. So we've got gold. This particular ticker is XAUUSD on the daily chart. Every candle is a day of trading. So I did this like bullish uptrend idea. Drew it out absolutely ages ago. I've slightly adjusted it, but I've noticed a few interesting things with gold because we had this sell-off. So we zoom into more local action, right? So we had this sell-off with gold. Like a lot of stuff had been selling off the first part of the year, but there's some interesting things that are occurring. So what I'll do, I'll just show you this scenario with this downtrend first. Okay, so let's just try and chart out this downtrend that gold's been in. Okay, but you know, anyone that understands how the markets move within channels, consolidation zones, you know, continuation patterns, resistance, sell-off patterns, all sorts of stuff, triangles. I've already said triangles, I'm repeating myself. And it's like a combination of all these methodologies combined together, which gives us a picture of what is truly occurring with price action. So let's just draw this downtrend, right? So this is like this local downtrend. This is how I see it. So price spiked and then started forming this downtrend. But with the bigger picture, we've got a macro uptrend going on with gold. So I'm just trying to like suss out what could be occurring. So here is the downtrend, okay? There's some resistance up ahead. There's definitely some resistance. If price carries on, if the buyers carry on buying, gold carries on increasing in price, there's some resistance up ahead. Next level of major resistance on this downtrend is like 18, let's have a quick look. Depends how fast the buyers come in. It's like 1900. Price gets to 1900. There's some resistance there. But I noticed a couple of things. Let's just draw a new channel idea, okay? First of all, let me draw this consolidation zone. Right, so I'm just going to draw this consolidation zone. There we go. So price loves to consolidate within larger structures. Okay, so there's a consolidation zone. All right, slightly more detailed look if anyone's got the patience to look at this video. And then price could be doing this, right? So we've got like a touch dominant trend line that we can draw on the daily chart. Let's just look at the big picture at the minute. Won't screw down to the 4-hour chart or any lesser time frames. I don't think we need to. What we want to look at is the big picture, because gold, as we know, is a barometer. Like Bitcoin is a barometer for the altcoins, gold is a major barometer for many other markets, indices, tickers, stocks, bonds. So here we go. So we'll clone this, right? We'll stick this lower swing, this trend line to where I think it might be bouncing from. So there you go. We've got a trend line, right? So if we look at this idea, right? Price needs micro adjusting. Leave it as it is at the minute. Price sold off, came down, found support, appears to be bouncing. But look, right? This local channel idea could be the channel that brings gold trending up again, right? Okay, we're currently 0.55% up for the day with the FTSE, but we've had a bit of a recovery and a bit of a bounce since like the 29th of June last month, right? So, but what I also noticed with the charts as well, this is really interesting, right? So look, we've got a few EMAs in front, right? We've got a few EMAs in front. We've got 21. We've got the 50, the 100, and the 200. Look how close we're virtually getting. We're getting like, I don't know what the true definition of a golden cross, but we've got a cross and of all the EMAs. Now, I'm betting if price can get above all these EMAs, right, we could have some serious buying action with gold. Yes, there are levels above that price needs to defeat, but isn't there always? If price can get above these EMAs, right, bouncing off support, we've got this bullish channel idea with gold, which kind of plays into this larger macro idea with gold. Very interesting, guys. Okay, price, yes, has been selling off, but in the big picture, it's kind of inconsequential when you start looking at these levels, right, above these areas of resistance if the buyers come back in. I just think it looks pretty interesting. This larger macro, more bullish channel idea that I kind of come up with started like January 2017. So it's a key test for gold at the minute, right? Price can get above these various levels that we discussed. So yeah, watch this space for gold, guys. All right, interesting. If anyone wants like a copy of the chart, just send me a DM. If you like the content of this video and you're new to the channel and you're new to the Twitter account, should I say, give us a follow or a like or a share on Twitter. Give us a subscribe on YouTube. I really do appreciate it, guys. It really helps the algorithms of what we do. All right, okay, I'll stop waffling. So that's my thoughts on gold. Let's just jump to Bitcoin dead quick, right? And I've already drawn out quite an extensive chart with Bitcoin. I'm right. I'm being a bit of an idiot today. One sec, guys. BTC. I can't pat my head and chew gum at the same time. Do you know what I mean? Right. BTC stroke USD. Right. I've got a chart knocking around for it somewhere. In fact, I can find it this way, guys. Sorry about this. I'll just do it the old-fashioned way. All right. Here we go. Bitcoin. I've got it knocking around. ABC. There we go. Right, Bitcoin. Slightly dyslexic sometimes, guys, and struggle. Honestly, I struggle looking at the alphabet and stuff like that. Strange, isn't it? Maybe my brain's wired a bit differently. Right, here we go, guys. So what we've got BTC USD on the daily chart, right? Again, this is one of my ideas. This is I believe this is the macro uptrend with Bitcoin, right? Price moves in channels, as we all know, and then price has been selling off, right? So let's just zoom to more local action with BTC USD. Right, so Bitcoin, we had a left shoulder, head, right shoulder, classic head and shoulder reversal. Price short squeezed down, right? Now, the market makers, right, will short squeeze, which is rapid selling, to take people out and to take people out of the game, right? So it'll do this kind of move, right? This drop will do one or two things, right? Number one, if you're trading on margin, right, and you're buying the market, it's going to take out all the stops, right, rapidly. In a rapid succession, it's going to take out all the stops, right? Because it's a short squeeze, boom. And these moves are created to take out the margin traders and create liquidity, right? Boom, you're out of the game. Okay, if you bet your house on Bitcoin, right, to buy Bitcoin on the 11th of May, at $56,500, you may be struggling now holding the metaphorical baby at 34,612. Just saying. You've got to be careful, guys. This is why becoming aware of these levels, reversal patterns in key levels and geographical regions of the charts can really save your metaphorical bacon, right, and stop you holding the metaphorical baby, right? Now, currently, price seems to have found support at these levels here, right? So this is the local downtrend. Price found support, came into this pennant triangle. Now, with technical analysis, right, you've got different sorts of triangles, right? Pennant triangles can be an indication of continuation, right, of the macro trend. So we've got some support levels here. As we can see, got these levels of support. Price is moving in this pennant triangle, and we've got some resistance above. If the buyers can stay in with Bitcoin and BTC, right, test these levels of resistance. It might take a while, right? Price is kind of consolidating across at the minute. It just depends how the market makers want to move the markets and whether or not Elon Musk wants to start tweeting, whatever, right? I'm just reading the charts. I don't move the markets. I'm just some little guy in the UK that reads the charts, okay? And, well, I say little. I'm actually over 6 foot, but you know what I mean. Little in the grand scheme of things on social media. But there you go, right? Price may want to test these levels of resistance, okay? But if price can break through, I'm just saying, right? This macro trend idea at some time in the future, I don't know. You know, if the buyers want to stay in, Bitcoin could go to $80,000 at some point in the future. You know, I'm just saying. If this support level can hold, of course, we're at a key juncture with Bitcoin now. I just wanted to share my ideas, have a bit of a laugh, have a bit of a joke. Hope everyone's well. Hope everyone's having a really nice week, enjoying the summer. I'll get this uploaded. Bitcoin and gold. I thought they were pretty cool doing a video together. Give us a retweet or a like if you appreciate it or you found this information useful, and then give us a follow on Twitter. All right, cheers, guys. Have a great day.